Hello friends, we are from the sixth group, which is consists of Fitria Anggraini, Ike Indah Marmiasih, and Inayatul Maula. In this chance, we would like to present our material about Schoology. What is Schoology? Schoology is an online learning, classroom management, and social networking platform that attempts to improve learning through better communication, collaboration, and increased access to curriculum and supplemental content. Schoology allows access to course materials anytime, anywhere for teachers, students, and parents. Access to Schoology means students and teachers have access to course material anytime and anywhere they have an internet connection, including on snow days, after school, and sick days. The features of Schoology. Schoology features in these categories: classroom management software, school administration software, learning management system (LMS) software, communication software, school management software, K-12 software. There are two packages available through Schoology: the enterprise package, which a school can purchase, or the basic version, which is free.
Basic version or free. Flexible instructional tools allow the teacher to easily differentiate instruction for students of different abilities, allowing the material to be done at a student own pace or as a group depending on preference of teacher or student. Pages allow the teacher to create customized pages for incentives and motivation. Pages are similar to trophies they may earn on video game or other social media games. Calendar is an easy-to-use, robust way to manage personal and course events, ensuring communication for all. Schoology's calendar are color-coded, provide automatic updating, and can synchronize with other web-based calendars such as Microsoft Outlook or Google Calendar. Schoology 2013. Online homework submission. Inline grading system allows the teacher to comment, annotate, and grade an assignment without having to download and then upload the grade version. Assignment and event allow the teacher to create a variety of different assignments that include content from a hard drive or the web. Test and quiz allow instructor to create a variety of different types of questions for quiz and test. These tests and quiz can include a wide variety of media as well, making it easy to personalize and differentiate tests with easy. Mobile learning. Native mobile application extend our award-winning LMS to all iOS, Android, and Kindle Fire mobile device for free, enabling cost-effective one-on-one and beyond initiative. Everything from assessment creation, submission, and grading to media-rich discussion are easily achieved from a mobile device. Schoology 2013. Online gradebook and attendance. Allow the teacher to keep grade easily accessible from any internet connection. With the in-program grading feature, grade, assignment, and tests are automatically input to the gradebook. This alone can save teachers a huge amount of time. Customize grading option. Allow the teacher to grade using a numeric, alphabetic, or rubric system. The rubrics are completely customizable, including point value, description and naming, standards, and outcomes alignment. Allow the allow teacher to easily align content, assessment and rubric to common core, state standard or custom learning outcomes. User connection to professional network. Allow a teacher to expand their professional network and gain new, improved or different material they can bring back and apply to their classroom immediately. Discussion. Allow the teacher to set up threaded discussion which allow for easy response and organization. Posts can include a variety of files as well. The enterprise version offers all of the basic features as well as a host of other options like web hosting or cloud service. Schoology can host your website content and file all in their cloud. Aggregated calendars, keeping up with all of your daily tasks and can be tough, especially if you have several different calendars. To keep track of Schoology can combine all of the calendars into one calendar that is color-coded for easy access. Web-based document and text blocks. Easy to create web-based document and text block no longer require a user to know CSS and HTML code, but for those advanced users who want to use it, it is still available. Secure and configurable messaging or email. From system-wide announcement to personalized messaging that corresponds to configurable role and permission, Schoology provides a safe and effective alternative to email. Comprehensive word filter also administration the ability to regulate all messaging content to ensure a constructive academic environment. Schoology 2013. SIS integration platform. Using advanced integration capabilities, Schoology can integrate your SIS and other critical technologies directly into the platform. The result is one seamless network where data transfer automatically to save you time and make your world institution more effective. Schoology 2013. Audio or video recording allow you to record audio and video from your computer and use it within any area in Schoology, including discussion and assignment. Custom branding and domain allow the school district to create their own domain name that fits their school. For example, the district may select elearning.myschool.edu instead of schoology.com. Increased storage. With the enterprise version, you can upload larger files than what is allowed in the free version. Priority support. With the enterprise version, schools get access to priority ticketing system that will ensure that there is always a representative available to answer your question when you need them. Professional development can be provided on-site or web delivered for all things professional development. Advance of using Schoology. The first similarity to major social networking sites provide ease of use. If the person has used those types of sites before. The second, security is in place for student safety. The third, provides efficient tools and resources for teachers to optimize instruction. Disadvantage for using Schoology. The first, students can navigate away from the main educational focus and get distracted. The second, no two accounts can be opened at the same time on a computer. The third, student comment or discussion cannot be moderated by the teacher.
Okay, the next material is how to join Schoology. This picture tells us about how to make an account for instructor or teacher. There are several steps that we need to do. The first step is go to www.schoology.com and then click sign up at the top of the page and choose instructor. After that, you need to fill out each required field in this form. After you fill out this form, click the I'm not a robot box and follow the instructions to confirm your identity. And the last steps, you need to click register. After you signing up, you need to fill out this form. You need to type your school name or school zip or postal code into the designated field. You also need to select your school from the results. But if your school is not listed, click Request to add your school at the bottom of the list. Now, let's move to make an account for students. The first step is you need to go to www.schoology.com and then click sign up at the top of the page and choose student. After that, you need to enter your access code that you have received from one of your instructors or your teachers. And then you need to fill out the form with your information. To end this tab, you need to click register to complete these tabs. Okay, the last material is how to create a course. This picture is talk about how to create a course manually. The first step that we need to do is click the courses at the top of Schoology, and then click My Courses in the top right corner of the drop-down menu. And from the course page, click the Create Course button, and you will see a create form, and then enter a course name, rename the section name, select a subject area, and enter a grade level or select a grade range, and then click Create to finish. Okay, now in this slide we would to talk about course name versus section name. And each course has a course name and a section name. This naming convention allows you to create multiple sections for the same course. There are two kinds to create additional sections. The first kind is creating a new section under an existing course. So if you already have a course and you'd like to add another section under the same course, use the Add Section option to create a section. This option does not copy any of the course materials into the new section. The first step is click the courses at the top of Schoology, and then click My Courses in the top right corner of the drop-down menu. Click Add a section next to the desired course, and then click Create. And then we would like to talk the second kinds. It is to create a copy of a current course section. So, use the Copy Section option to create a clone of an existing section you have created under the course. This option copies over the course materials you have built out in the existing section. This is a good way to add a new class with the same materials but a different roster of students, since this operation also copies your existing materials and content. Check your transfer history to follow the progress of the section copy. Okay, the first step that we need to do is click Course in the header, and then click My Courses in the top right corner of the drop-down menu. Click the gear icon to the right of the section you'd like to copy, and then select Copy Section from the drop-down menu, and then complete the Copy Course section form. And the last step is click Copy. So there are a whole materials that we have explained in this time. And thanks for watching this video. Thank you.